Baba Sahib Ambedkar was invited to deliver a lecture in Pune on 22nd December 1952. He gave a lecture on the conditions precedent for the successful working of democracy. During this lecture, Baba Sahib Ambedkar has defined democracy, and let me quote him. He said, "Democracy is a form and a method of government whereby revolutionary changes in the economic and social life of the people are brought about without bloodsheds." For Ambedkar, true democracy is one where revolutionary changes are taking place. So Baba Sahib Ambedkar is not very much comfortable with a status quoist approach. He wants society to undergo change for better, and he said that the revolutionary changes should happen not only in social domain but also in economic domain. Democracy is a form of government which should be oriented towards welfare of the people, towards giving justice to the oppressed classes in social and economic domain. Democracy is a form of government where radical changes are taking place in social and economic domain, where caste system is being annihilated, where people are treated equally, and also in the material domain as far as the lands, properties, jobs, they are also made accessible to the underprivileged and suppressed classes. So democracy for Ambedkar should facilitate, should help the society undergo radical change. At the same time, he is also against achieving those positive changes, those radical changes through violence. So Ambedkar's understanding of democracy is that it is a system for social change, it is a system for the welfare of the people, it is a system for bringing about equality both in social and economic domain, and all those processes should happen without bloodbath. So you could see here that in Ambedkar's conceptions, the welfare of the people, positive changes in social and economic domains through peaceful means, through democratic means, are at the center of Ambedkar's understanding of democracy. Thank you very much.